Hi guys. Well, this is to show you, this video is to show you how bad these Felpro gaskets are. Not too many people know about this because they don't check what's going on here, but check out the movement of the ring. That's the fire ring that holds all the pressure in the cylinder, and look how it's moving. I can move it even from the other side. This is Felpro quality. It's, even if it works for a while, look at that. It's not going to work for too many years. See, look at that. And the top of the ring, the fire ring, is so small that if there is nothing underneath, there is no gasket underneath. See, look at that. If I pull it away, that's the edge of the paper gasket. So how is this supposed to seal and hold all that pressure? This is crazy. I usually use Victor Reigns, but you can't get that in the stores unless you order it, and it takes like 3 days to get it. Also, same problem with eBay. So I bought this Felpro gasket. I already knew these were like really bad, but check this out, man. This is retarded. Look at that. I can pull this away and you can see the edge of the gasket there. See, look. I don't recommend anybody use Felpro gaskets. This is nonsense. Yeah, all the mechanic shops who use Felpro gaskets, they are screwing the customer, because this is not gonna last. Nobody can tell me that this is good quality. Look at that. Look at that. Look, there is the edge of the gasket, and it moves like probably 100,000 of an inch back and forth. Okay, well, just a warning for everybody out there: don't buy Felpro, not for head gaskets. Thanks, bye bye.